Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 8. Today we cover Python lists. Learn to store and manage collections of data. Lists store multiple items in a single variable. Use indexes and slices to access elements. The in keyword checks if an item exists. Let us create list_basics.py using nvim. Square brackets create a list of colors. Lists can hold mixed types like ints and strings. Index 0 is the first item, -1 is the last. Slicing with colon extracts a portion of the list. The in keyword returns true or false. Plus joins lists, star repeats them. Let us review and run the code. Lists have built-in methods to add and remove items. Sort and reverse change the order in place. Copying a list prevents unwanted shared changes. Let us create list_methods.py. Append adds to the end, insert puts at a position. Remove deletes by value. Pop removes the last item. Sort orders the list, reverse flips it. Count tells how many times a value appears. Index finds where a value first occurs. Copy creates an independent duplicate. Let us review and run the methods demo. Let us build a grocery list manager as our mini project. It combines append, remove, sort, and in. Users add, remove, and view items. Let us create grocery_list.py. A while loop keeps the program running until quit. The add command checks for duplicates with in. Remove uses the in check before deleting. Joe sorts the list and displays with enumerate. Let us review the code with bat. We add milk, bread, and eggs. Adding milk again is blocked as a duplicate. Show displays items sorted and numbered. After removing bread, the final list has 2 items. Let us recap Python lists. Square brackets create and index lists. Append, insert, remove, and pop modify lists. Sort, reverse, count, and index are key methods. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore tuples and sets.